guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. For today's video, we are not going to use AutoCAD. However, this video is all about our another subject, which is Industrial Materials and Processes, wherein we are tasked to do a toolbox. So every procedure, we have to provide short clips of ourselves as we create our toolbox. So before we proceed, I would like to give you a definition about laying out. Laying out, it is a shop term used to include the marking or scribing. It is the operation of scribing centered locations, straight lines, arcs, circles, or contour lines on the surface of a piece of a metal in order to determine the finished size and shape of the part to be manufactured. So before we proceed, I would like to show you the instructions given by our professor in this subject. So attached here is a Google Drive link for a detailed plan of your toolbox. In a long white folder, make a layout on each part: one body, one top cover, two side covers, one organizer, and two dividers of your toolbox. Upload your output on your designated Google Drive folder and submit the link on this thread. So from here, I will show you the parts that we are going to lay out. So first, we have the top cover. Next, we have two pieces of divider. We have organizer. We have side cover. And another one is the body. So that's all. From this video, I want to show you the materials that we are going to use. So first, we have 3 pieces of long white folder, 2 pieces of pencils, 2 pieces of Unipin ball pen, 1 piece eraser, 1 regular ruler, and a protractor. guys, we are going to do the second part of making our toolbox. So we have the cutting, and as you can see, I have prepared the materials, which is the 3 white long folder that I have used in laying out the toolbox. And I have here a pair of scissors, and also I prepared one cutter and one ruler because for me it is easier to cut the layouts by using this. So here is my short clips in cutting. And there you have it, guys, and now we're finally done in cutting, and here are my outputs. I'm gonna show you.